In this video tutorial, you will learn how to pass an array as an argument into a function in C++. You will learn to pass both one-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. First, we will see how to pass one-dimensional array to a function. This is an example of how to pass one-dimensional array as an argument into a C++ function. In this example, we will see how to display marks of 5 students by passing one-dimensional array as an argument into C++ function. For that, I declared a function display with array as an argument. In the main function, I have initialized an array with 5 values that are the marks of 5 students. Then I called a function display by passing array as an argument. Then the control will go to the function definition of display function. In function definition, it will display the marks of 5 students from student 1 to student 5 by using the loop. So here, when an array is passed as an argument to a function, only the name of an array is used as argument. That is, you can see in the main function, I called the function display by using display of marks. That is, only the name is used for calling the function. Also notice the difference while passing array as an argument rather than variable. That is, you can see that void display of int marks of 5. The argument mark in the above code represents the memory address of first element of an array, marks of 5. These are the points that I have explained in the previous slide. You can just go through these points. So C++ handles passing an array to a function in this way to save memory and time. Next, we will see how to pass a multi-dimensional array as an argument into a C++ function. A multi-dimensional array can be passed in similar way as one-dimensional array. So an example will give you the clear idea about how to pass two-dimensional array to a function. This is an example of how to pass a two-dimensional array as an argument into a C++ function. This program displays the element of two-dimensional array by passing it to a function. In this program, the multi-dimensional array num is passed to the function display of. Inside display of function, the array n or num. The array n is the formal argument and num is the actual argument, is traversed using a nested for loop. The program uses two for loops to iterate over the elements inside a two-dimensional array. If it were a three-dimensional array, you should use 3 for loops. Finally, all elements are printed onto the screen. In the case of multi-dimensional array with dimensions more than 2 can be passed in similar way as two-dimensional array. This is an end of video tutorial on how to pass an array into a function.